A hurricane is coming. Well, Hurricane Irma is coming to Florida. It is a Category 5. That hurricane is coming into town. People are evacuating. They're in a state of emergency. The whole Florida is in a state of emergency. As people are trying to evacuate them, they're gonna go underwater. There's tornadoes. The water is gonna rise over Florida. They're in a state of emergency. Florida, people have to get out. The hurricane's gonna destroy. It's a Category 5 hurricane. People are hunkered down. The hurricane is coming in. The water is gonna go over the streets and damage winding 100 miles an hour. The waves are going to be 12 feet or more. The hurricane is coming to destroy. Hurricane Irma is coming to destroy. This is the biggest one. Jim King Tories out there videotaping it. Hurricane Irma is coming in. It is destroying things. It's supposed to be in Sunday morning. So pack your stuff and get the hell out of the city. The hurricane is coming to destroy stuff. You better get out of town. Hurricane Irma is destroying things. It just went through Cuba. Now it's heading on to Florida. That's a Category 5, but there's a downside to a Category 3. The wind's going to be very picking up. So board up your windows and get the hell out of town. The hurricane is coming to town to destroy things. Get the hell out of town. Hurricane's destroying things. Hurricane's coming to Florida. Hurricane Irma. Get the hell out of town. Hurricane Irma is coming.